got the cutout open. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some tuning today. We're gonna take off this front grille though because all the tabs broke. So I'm gonna show them right here. They were barely hanging on by a thread. I got to get a new grille for it. None of the tabs on the bottom were actually there before, so I had it just held up by these two up here. The rest of them were broken. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off before it flies off, and then we'll hop in the truck and go do some tuning. See, literally is just 2 bolts. It comes off. Let's go ahead and hop in the truck. Get my laptop hooked up and we'll go do some driving around. Now, I did a little bit of tuning, but I haven't done any kind of idle or startup tuning. So when you first start up the truck, it goes up and down. It surges for a little bit before it, settles on an idle. Yep, it'll do that for about a good 10 minutes straight. And then, if you guys are using your AEM wideband, sometimes you have to restart the computer with it plugged in for it to read on your scanner. Right now, max boost we're seeing is about 6 pounds. Wide open throttle, we're aiming for about 11 to 1. We're keeping it super safe, super fat, so we don't blow anything up, and also we're keeping our timing relatively low. So max timing in it is about 6 degrees, and once we get our fueling right, we'll bump up the timing. Alright, so this is what I was talking about here. If you can see, when you go to connect, sometimes your wideband will just drop out and it won't read. See, it disappeared. So what we do is all we do is restart, and then for some reason you keep it connected. Restart anyway.
I've been better off with the macro.
Why?
It's pretty close up.
Oh yeah. Well, I could have got your 18 or your 24.
I brought it out for you.
Yeah, but we're gonna do something outside and the filter's not on it. This one's already got the filter on it. See, here it is right here. It popped back up. I don't know why it is like that, but for the new Windows update, all you got to do is restart the computer with the plug plugged in, and it works. Be back. That should be good.
What's that?
hours later.
We're gonna have a little fun.
Seconds later.
1 to 2 shifts, so it happens. See, look, it's still not shifting. There it goes. So actually, it went straight to third. So that's it for second gear. It went from first to third gear. I kind of knew that was gonna happen. I drove it a couple days this week, and we were putting down, I'd say, right around 500 horsepower. And the transmission did not like it, so I wanted to do some more tuning, but looks like we're going to turn it in until we get that new transmission put in. Heck yeah.
Go ahead.
All right, guys, we're back in the shop. We lost second gear. It was fun. It would not shift in the second. It didn't like it. It was just banging off the rev limiter. We can drive it and get it to go in second, but you have to be real light on the throttle. And even then, it's real sluggish and slipping going into second. So we got our built transmission. You want to come over here? It was built by TCI, and it's good for 1,000 horsepower. It's a Turbo 400, and hopefully we can get this in the truck soon, so we can go ahead and continue our driving. Which I was having fun, by the way. Also, got a sweet deal on this motor that we're gonna go ahead and build on the side. So what I wanted to do is go ahead and take the stock block that's in there, and we're gonna take it to its limits and see where it pops. But now we got something that we can build on the side and have it ready for when that one goes. This one is a Gen 4 all aluminum 5.3. And here's one of the pistons. I took one of the rings out. I checked the ring gap. That'll be in a future video. I'm gonna show you what the stock ring gap is on I think this one had 120,000 miles when it was pulled. So got a couple other things for the truck. You guys remember this box? I told you I'd show you what it is in an upcoming video. This is, I haven't even looked at it yet. You guys got a guess? There you go. This is the camshaft that we're going to be putting in is made by Summit. It's their Summit Pro LS line. This one is the 8712. It's a stage 1 cam, and I think it'll pair really well. Huh? Oh yeah. Let's get this out of the way. I don't want to open it because my hands are dirty, but this is what's going to go. This was going to go on the motor that's in the truck, but we're going to go ahead and save this for this motor. The specs on it are, let's see, it's a 500 lift, intake and exhaust, and the duration is 210 and 218, which should be decent to get enough low end torque. And this should push the power band up until about 6,000 or so. So this is going in the new motor. Also, we got this little kit right here. This is so we can run a little bit more timing and be safe on our tune. So we don't blow anything up. You guys got a guess on what this could be? Alright, I'm excited. It's our Snow Performance water methanol injection kit. We're gonna start off with a 40% methanol blend. Not sure if you guys are familiar, but you can run washer fluid. Believe it or not, this has about 35 to 40% methanol. So you just pour it straight. You can also go with Boost Juice, which this company makes, and theirs is a 50-50 blend of methanol and water. Or you can make your own. Let's grab this guy right here. This is 100% methanol. So you grab this, you make about a half gallon worth, and you fill the rest with distilled water, and that'll give you a 50-50 blend of methanol and water. All right, this is exciting. So this is what's in the kit. This is a 3-quart reservoir, which should be good enough for now, but when we start to turn up the boost, we might try to make like a 10-gallon cell or something, not sure. This is the pump. It's pretty massive, it's heavy. But this is the pump for it. It came with the lines. It's got a pressure switch, relay. What else does it have? Where's the nozzles at? Here's the nozzles that it came with. So we're gonna have some fun with that. Hopefully we can get that installed sometime this week. I'd love to get that transmission in there so we can continue driving. I really don't want to drive it anymore because I'm afraid I might lose another gear, and I don't want to be stranded. So we can pretty much call that transmission done. It only took about 400, roughly right under 500 horsepower to kill it. And it didn't take long, it took a couple days, so.
Excellent.
All right guys, so I think that's gonna do it for this video. Motor's still there, everything's still kicking. Transmission is not doing so hot though. This thing was just taking it. I was not nice on the throttle. I was banging it off the rev limiter. I think the rev limiter is set to like 6,300, and just having a lot of fun with it. So we'll get this transmission in it, and we'll turn up the boost once we get our fueling right, and then once we turn up the boost, that's when we'll go ahead and put our methanol injection kit, and then we can turn up the timing and see how much power the stock motor will take. But that's it. All right guys, catch you on the next one.